Hi, good this morning is Thursday. I think it's the 31st of July, and here we are. I'm out reading my local paper, the Maidenhead Advertiser, and I'm sat here with a nice cup of coffee in my special mug. Legend, haha, legend, that's me. And Charlie sat here quietly watching me. And everything's quiet, and we're going to have a nice half an hour reading the paper, having a cup of coffee and generally relaxing. Hello, Charlie, what you doing? He's got his leg iron on, right, but then he's fixed to the table here, see that? And he don't like it very much, but well, that's to his own good anyway. He's apart from that, he's very happy, and so am I. Charlie, come on, we'll be back indoors soon anyway, and he'll be back on his perch or in his cage. At the moment we're out here. He was on the ground the other day. We're going to have him on the table today though. Enjoying the fresh air along with me, and generally have a peaceful time. So there you go, enjoy the video, thanks for watching, and please comment.